Hi everyone, today we'll learn about partial fraction decomposition. So we will work on 8 over x squared plus 6x minus 18. So that means our denominator is a quadratic equation. So first, what we have to do is factor this equation. So that would be factored into x plus 8 and x minus 2. And then we have to get the partial fractions, which are a x over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 8. Now what we have to do is multiply these whole thing with x minus 2 and x plus 8 so that we can cancel the denominator of our original fraction. So that's x times x minus 2 times x plus 8. On the left side of the equation, the whole denominator will be cancelled, so that would be 8 equal to, for a, x minus 2 cancelled, so a times x plus 8 plus b, x times 2. So what we want to do is get the values of a and b, and we can do that by substituting a value for x that will make one of the terms 0. So in this case, we set it to negative 8 so that we can get a value for the coefficient of a which is equal to 0. So that will be 0, and we will get 8 equal to b negative 10b. We divide both sides of the equation by negative 10, so we will get negative 8 over 10 or negative 4 over 5. That will be our value for b. Now we want to cancel b to get the value of a, so what we have to do is set x equal to 2, so that would be 8 equal to 2 plus 8 plus b times 2 minus 2, so that will be 0, that last term. And then we will have 8 equal to 10a. If we divide both sides of the equation by 10, we will get a value for a, which is 8 over 10 or 4 over 5. So we just replace this on our partial fractions, and that will be our answer.